Welcome.
Hey there, welcome back. Today we're doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the Naruto manga collection. This time, guys, it is none other than Naruto 64. But well, before we get into this, make sure to hit the red subscribe button, which isn't red anymore, it's white. But well, I keep forgetting. Sorry guys, maybe I'll get it one of these days, eh? But make sure to hit the subscribe button, make sure to hit the bell to stay notified, and of course, if you like Naruto, if you like this collection, make sure to leave a like down below. And of course, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Parchiner. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, with that being said, let's go ahead, let's get into this. Alright, so here we have our new Naruto manga, the number 64, out of the packaging. And here we have the front cover with Naruto and Hinata. The binding with Naruto there. And the back. I'm just gonna take off the jacket here. And the two sides. Here we have the front, or the inside cover, the binding, and the back. Now we got a new poster again. How odd that in the last number we didn't have a poster, but now we do. Very cool. Naruto, Sasuke, and Sakura in samurai uniforms. Very cool. And then we have the characters and a summary of what's been going on up until now. And the index and the first page. Oh well, I don't want to show too much, so let's go to the end. The credits here in the back. And of course, the how to read manga here in the back, as always. And well, you guys tell me, what do you guys think of this number? Tell me down in the comments below. As always, I look forward to hearing from you guys. And well, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're motioning around down there, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Make sure to hit the bell to stay notified. And of course, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partiner. It's a Spanish speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.